Photosynthesis is a process used by plants and other organisms to convert light energy into chemical energy, create sugar and oxygen. The three-step conversion occurs within the plant's chloroplast. The first step is light reaction, the second step is swapping of molecules, and the third step is the Calvin cycle. The reaction for photosynthesis is 6 water plus 6 carbon dioxide as your reactants, and your products, glucose and 6 oxygen.
Light reactions intake light and water into thicolloids to start the process of photosynthesis. The thicolloids contain chlorophyll, which in turn the light into energy. And during the process, oxygen is released.
ATP and NADPH created in the light-dependent reactions now move to assist the Calvin cycle. The NADPH and ATP are used to reduce carbon from 2-phosphoglycerate to 6-G3P, 5 of which are used again for another cycle. The ATP is also used to regenerate RUBP at the end of the cycle. After this, now ADP and NADP ion move to light-dependent reactions to be regenerated into ATP and NADPH.
In the Calvin cycle, a 5-carbon carbon catcher catches 1 molecule of carbon dioxide and forms a 6-carbon molecule. The enzyme Rubisco, with the energy of ATP, breaks the 6-carbon molecule into 2 equal parts. A trio of 3 carbons leave and become sugar. The other trio moves on to the next step. Using ATP and NADPH, the 3-carbon molecule is changed into a 5-carbon molecule. Then, once this is done, the cycle starts all over again.
Hi, I'll be representing the light-dependent reaction.
Hi, I'm NADP+.
And I'm ADP.
On the Calvin cycle.
And now we're going to represent photosynthesis. Using a basketball as a phosphate group and a soccer ball as the hydrogen molecule, the NADP+ molecule now obtains the hydrogen from the light-dependent reactions, and the ADP receives a phosphate group from the same place. The now NADPH loses its hydrogen in the Calvin cycle, and the now ATP loses its phosphate group to the Calvin cycle, and they once again become NADPH and ADP. So some fun facts on chloroplasts. They're found in the cytoplasm. They're thought to be evolved from engulfed prokaryotes. It turns light energy into sugar to help carry out photosynthesis, and they're found only in plant cells.
In this experiment, we are using 2 jade plants that require direct sunlight. Both of these plants had the same amount of water and the same exact temperature. The plant in the black cup received sunlight. The plant in the red cup was in total darkness. Both of these plants were in their environments for about 8 days. By day 5, you could see that the plant in the red cup was starting to become pale with brown spots. By day 6 and 7, the leaves started to drop more and more, until on day 8, the plant was almost completely dead, with the branches dropping and breaking apart.